Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a moist banana nut bread. Do you have a lot of ripe bananas? Don't know what to do with them? Don't throw them away, save them. Here are all the ingredients you'll need to make a very moist banana nut bread. In a bowl, we are going to add all our dry ingredients. First, 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and lastly, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Using a spatula, we are going to mix all ingredients together. Mix until well incorporated. Next, we are going to add our dry ingredients in our mixing bowl. Then we are going to add 2 large eggs. They do not need to be at room temperature. 2/3 cup of vegetable oil and 3 tablespoons of milk. You can use any milk of choice. Mix all your ingredients at low. This texture will be thick, but as soon as we add the banana and walnut, the texture will change. Finally, add your 3 ripe bananas, half a cup of chopped walnuts, and again, start your mixture at low and mix everything together. In between, you may use a spatula and scrape the sides to make sure everything's incorporated well. For easy removal, add a piece of parchment paper at the bottom of your loaf pan. Using a spatula, incorporate your mixture in the loaf pan. And lastly, garnish your banana nut bread with more chopped walnuts. Bake for 1 hour until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow your banana nut bread to cool off for 1 hour. Then, using a spatula, scrape the sides. Gently turn your loaf upside down. Remove the parchment paper and place on your platter. And there you have it, a delicious and moist banana nut bread. If you love this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below what you think. Until next time!